Hello, welcome. I have here a Womondo Robeta Womondo Siren campervan, 6 meter on a Citroen base, and this is a new vehicle as far as this is concerned. 83,500 euros in cost. You can even put it. Sorry, it's a 3.5 ton base only. Sorry, I thought it could be increased. Anyway, let's have a look inside. Now, the Womondo was a brand I first saw in 2017, and they were on a Opel base. I first saw here at Stuttgart that year, and I understood the firm had been around a long time. Anyway, Robeta has resuscitated the brand to have a sort of a cheaper brand for its own. That's as I understand it, as lots of companies do, because the Robeta is very, very expensive, and the Womondo is, I think, meant to be a bit less expensive. I think that's the objective of the exercise. But you may be saying 80,000, and the next one I'm going to show you is 100 starting price, and you might think differently. Anyway, but it does have the sort of the same attractive look to it as Robeta has. It has sort of slightly different style inside though, whereas Robeta tends to use very dark colours. This is very light, and does have some of the quality things, such as insulated back doors, for example. This is the shower, and you can see how much space there is. So I'm 1.75 m, and I've got this bit above my head. Space there for the television. We've got a bench with this table. Obviously the table can come out if necessary. Automotive seats at the front, and in the bulwark there's a tiny bit of storage. I can't see the point of having this. I mean, I'm all for storage. I really want to have to put storage everywhere, but I think I personally like to stand up properly and not have to keep banging my head on something. So here, 2 burners, sink, and here we've got a fridge which incidentally will open both ways. And here we've got, there's the electrics, fuses in electro block in a convenient position. Note also that the water dump, the Truma frost control, is also in a relatively convenient place. The frost control doesn't have to be in a super convenient place, but as far as I'm concerned, the fuses must always be in a convenient location. And there you go, 12 volts, 230 USBs, including one of these USBs, 18 volt USB. Okay, all right, 2.4 amp. It can't be volts as what, surely? Can't see properly, so my sight's going. Anyway, it must have been a W, so I'll see that when I look at the video. Fly screen in the door, and let's come round to the back, have a look at that. Here's another Womondo. You can see that in a separate video. This one here is on a Mercedes. It's more luxurious inside. Yeah, sound. So here at the back, as you'd expect with all camper vans, this will go up to allow you storage below. You can have a look at what the storage area is like below, and you see that it's rather well done. Mind you, they expect to be rather well done for the cost of the thing. Insulated rear door, which many companies don't insulate the rear door. There is a space for one gas cylinder, and here another plug could come in handy. So this is new to the market, and quality brand. I'm curious to see some of the videos. I'm going to go back and have a look at the videos I did of the Womondo brand 7 years ago, and to see if there's any similarities. Then it was on a Opel, base. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.